How to create a Starlink account. So simply search for Starlink in your Google and then go to the first link, their official site. So here you can see there are two different prompts according to your wish. So that is residential or room. So you can go to any of those according to your wish. Let's go to residential. And then here you will be required to enter your service address. Let's put on USA according to your wish. So we're doing USA. Simply press on order now. So it will order you a kit for you, so that could be according to different of the plans. So here are different kits that trade service are starting on this. You can, and then there is a standard kit. There is also a different kit according to your wish: free kit, first kit, standard kit. So in order to purchase it, you will be going to this prompt and then simply press on checkout. So let's say you've already purchased it. Once you purchase it, let's go to the Starlink. Again, you'll have to go to the official site, go to this three dot, go to sign in center, and then here you'll be seeing activate your Starlink. Simply press on activate your Starlink, and then here once you've obtained your kit, you will be entering your Starlink identifier and email addresses below. So enter your kit identifier and your email and then create a new account. Also you can update your existing account and then you are good to go. That's how you create a Starlink account. So basically it's not free, you will be requiring to purchase a kit. So hopefully this video helps. Thank you.